Welcome students. So today in this class I will start a new topic of writing skill, and today I'll discuss about report writing. Okay, it falls in the category of long composition report writing. So before start you should know what is a report, the different types of report, their format, and I'll take a samples and show you how to present. So what is a report? A report is a brief account of an event that has already taken place. A report helps in recording the events of importance that occur in our day-to-day life. It attempts to present the first-hand information of an incident or event. A report of an event presents a record of events that took place, and a report of an event includes one ideas, opinions, impressions about the event. Now I'll discuss the following points that you should keep in your mind while drafting a report. So these points are very important. So let's start with that you should understand these points definitely would help you to understand the topic. So starting with, provide a suitable title, heading including byline. So one suitable title or heading to be given when you start the report writing, and including byline, that means the writer's name, who has written the report or who has drafted the report. Okay. Next we have the information. After that, mention the place, date, other relevant details about the event. After the title and heading, then we'll put the place name, date, other relevant details about the event. Next we have the information collected from the people around or affected by that event. Next, the name of the reporter, if it is the report writing to be published in the newspaper, because some reports are there like that to be published, like any accident, incident, fire mishap. So these type of reports that definitely to be published, and that time the name of the reporter is very, very important, including, I would say, the name of the newspaper. Okay, reporter and name of the newspaper. So let me add this one, and name of the newspaper. Okay, if it is in a case of incidental or accidental report. Report must be written in past tense, because in introduction you definitely write about the present status, but the total body part you have to furnish in past tense. Write in reported speech and use the passive form of the expression. Develop ideas, causes, reasons, opinions, consequences logically, and write in a less formal and more descriptive manner while writing a report for a school magazine. Okay. So the reports now coming, that the types. So first would come the formal reporting about the school program, event, college, university program, any clubs, organization program. So that time it becomes a formal report writing, and CBSE ask questions 50-60% more than that about that formal reporting. So we'll practice today that one, first one, the sample of the formal reporting, and next, after the next classes, I'll show you the reports of incident, accident, The report sometimes the newspaper magazine to be published in newspaper magazine, so that type of reports. So I will show you in the other classes. So today's this class I will show you a formal reporting, school reporting. Okay. So let me take the question first. See the question. Recently your school held a seminar on conservation of water as a part of World Water Day celebrations. As the school coordinator of Delhi Public School, Gurgaon, write a report in 120 to 150 words for a local daily. Sign as Anik Ankita. Okay, it becomes a formal reporting, but to be published in local daily newspaper. So this is the first type. Okay, this is the first type, this is the sample one, this is the first type, formal reporting. Okay. So how to present, how to do. So we will start, we will show you first starting with that part, suitable title, heading including the byline. So that to be done first, that to be written. So the topic is seminar on water conservation. Topic, title, heading. Seminar on water conservation. We'll write in capital better. Okay. Next, by that side that I said, this is the byline. Here is the name given in my question, is see here Anik Ankita, I am taking Anik. Okay. And after that the name of the school I will write better because it is about school seminar. So school name is given here, see Delhi Public School, Gurgaon. So I will write here Delhi Public School, Gurgaon. And that would be my heading slash title. Okay, clear? Then what is being covered here? Mention the place, date and other relevant details. Let's start with that one only, place Gurgaon. Okay, comma, June. Here you can do like that, 0 cross or 2021. Okay, so place, date and other relevant details. So it's okay, that place and then date is written. Timing also you can put if you think. It is optional. So here in the value points I will write place, date, time. Okay, so next would come my introduction. So I will continue from here. So my introduction. first one line that to be the like that introduction background. Conservation of water, conservation of water is very essential part of our life. Then keeping this in mind, our school organized a seminar on water conservation. Water conservation as a part of the World Water Day celebrations. Okay. Then on here I'll put that 13th August, that would be proper. August 0x6. Okay, so if August, then the incident already happened, then here the date I can put August 22nd, because it already been happened and being celebrated as a part of World Water Day celebrations. Okay, it's okay then. So date must be after that, it's not notice writing. So it happened already 13th August and you are writing 22nd August, that would be proper. Next, body part. Next we will have the body. Again the body, you know, it's very important part, your content expression part, that is very important. In this body part you will express yourself, your subject, your coinage of the words, whether you are deviating from the points, all to be kept in mind while correcting the copies. So the important details to be given about the program, about the chief guest, all these to be written here. So just I'll write the value points so that you will write in a sentence, that already been discussed in exam also. You will write all the value points somewhere and then rub it and then use it, all these value points as a sentences. So first would be presence of eminent environmentalist environmentalists and eminent personalities. In a sentence, how you will present? You will write distinguished environmentalists and eminent personalities were our chief speakers, guests, and they spoken about the need not only of the conservation of water but also spoke at length on how to conserve water by stressing upon the fact that each drop of water is precious. So they stressed the point, they spoke, next value point, they spoke about the water, about the conservation of water, how precious it is. Again I repeat, you will write in a sentence, not in points. These are the value points. Okay. Next one. Next, what you will write after that? There was a suggestion of rainwater harvesting. Suggestion of the rainwater harvesting. Okay. To conserve water. So these are the few points, okay, value points you will write in what? Better in paras, in lines, sentences. The presence of eminent environmentalists and eminent personalities, they spoke about conservation of water, how precious it is, suggestions of the rainwater harvesting to conserve water. Importance of conserving water. So these points we will write in sentence. Okay. Next, the last part, that would be the conclusion part. Okay. Conclusion. What will write in conclusion part? The seminar concluded on the note of water conservation is the most. You can write the seminar concluded with the note of, let me think, the seminar concluded on the note of water conservation. Note of water conservation is the most cost effective environmentally sound way environmentally sound way to reduce our demands okay, for water on water and so each one of us must do our bit towards improving water management so that, or you could write to enhance the optimum, the highest, the optimum use of water, Okay, so this is the conclusion part. The seminar concluded on the note of water conservation in the most cost effective, environmentally sound way to reduce our demands for water, and so each one of us must do our bit towards improving water management to enhance the optimum use of water. So the conclusion is all about what you have just written, and that summing up the points. Okay, the generally we do in all letters, formal letters, that editorial letters that I discussed, and also article writing, speech writing is very important. So these are the points that you will keep in your mind, and this way you will present your formal report writing. So let me discuss in a nutshell. The heading title, seminar on water conservation by, this is the byline, Anik, the name is given here, Delhi Public School, Gurgaon, and then my place, date and time, Gurgaon, 22nd June, 2nd August, sorry, this would be August written already. Okay, 20XX or 2021 you can write, 11:30 that time I have written, that is optional. Then my intro, this is my intro, and then this is my value points, these are my value points, and these value points, with the help of these value points you will use it in a sentence and write in your exam, and then conclusion part. Okay, this much. So in complimentary clause nothing to be written, but must be in a box because it is a formal reporting. So you will put the report, whole report writing in a box. Okay, the whole report writing would be in a box. Okay, so let me conclude this class. I think you have understood. In my other classes, next classes, I will show you the other types of report writing, accidental, incidental, and if it is published in the newspaper by the name of the person. Here is given that published to be newspaper, but sometimes it is being asked different questions, okay, about that particular name of the person and that total that writing, that the report writing to be published. So that these extra types that I will discuss in my other classes. Thank you students, have a nice day.